Hey there, YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you, a journey into the world of Stoic mastery. That's right, we're about to unlock the secrets to mastering your mind with some timeless Stoic rules. So, stay tuned, because this video is going to change the way you perceive your inner world. Before we dive into the rules, let's get a quick understanding of what Stoicism is all about. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that focuses on personal virtue and wisdom as the path to true happiness. It teaches us to control what we can and accept what we can't. Pretty cool, right? Rule number 1 in Stoic mastery is the power of self-reflection. It all starts with looking inwards. Take time to think about your actions, emotions, and thoughts. Ask yourself, am I in control of my reactions, or are they controlling me? Self-awareness is the first step to mastering your mind. Rule number 2, embracing adversity. Stoics believe that challenges are opportunities for growth. When life throws curveballs at you, don't resist. Embrace them. Find the valuable lessons in adversity and use them to strengthen your mind. Rule number 3, focus on what you can control. We often waste energy worrying about things beyond our control. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can influence, our thoughts, actions, and decisions. The rest is out of our hands. Rule number 4, practice mindfulness. Stoics emphasize being present in the moment. Slow down, observe your surroundings, and savor the beauty of the present. Mindfulness helps you declutter your mind and find peace. Rule number 5, cultivate virtue. Stoicism places a high value on personal virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Cultivating these virtues not only leads to inner mastery, but also a virtuous life. Rule number 6, live in agreement with nature. Stoics believe that everything in the universe has a purpose. By aligning your life with the natural order, you'll find harmony and tranquility. And there you have it, folks, the Stoic Mastery Rules to master your mind. Remember, Stoicism isn't about suppressing your emotions, but understanding and managing them. It's a powerful philosophy that can transform your life. So let's embrace self-reflection. Welcome adversity, focus on what we can control, practice mindfulness, cultivate virtue, and live in agreement with nature. These rules will not only master your mind, but also lead you on the path to a fulfilled life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Together, we'll spread the wisdom of Stoicism and help everyone master their minds. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay stoic and stay amazing. Until next time, take care.